My name's Warren. I'm 28. I live in London and I am a junior software engineer thanks to HyperionDev. So I completed the HyperionDev software engineering bootcamp funded by the Department for Education. I believe I started last November and I finished around about April time. So yeah, it was really great experience and I learned a lot. So having worked in the hospitality industry now for about 2 to 3 years, I'm kind of at that point now where I've reached the ceiling in my career and I really wanted to try something new. I've always been interested in tech, especially software engineering and computer coding, but I never went to uni for it. So I found it quite difficult to get into that career. So luckily a friend told me about HyperionDev. I looked on their website, applied, and the rest is history. I really enjoyed the quality of instruction and the curriculum at HyperionDev. I learned a lot of interesting things. We covered mainly was Python, but we also did a bit of coding in HTML, CSS, and MySQL, which is very helpful. It kind of gives you a foundation knowledge of all these things, and then you can choose which to specialize in. One of the challenges I faced was kind of this whole software engineering stuff being a bit alien to me. You know, I had done it ICT at GCSEs before, but I did kind of find it a bit difficult, especially when we got into deeper kind of coding within Python and started looking at, you know, a little bit of HTML and CSS. So that's why it's so important to make use of your mentors. The mentorship stuff was so amazing. It really helped me kind of get through the course, especially near the kind of later stages where I started to struggle a bit with some of the content. For a lot of people doing this course, they've never done any kind of software engineering or any of the other boot camps in this kind of field before. So it's really important you have someone there. The projects I've done have really helped me in kind of real world problem solving. You have a client brief and you know exactly what they need and what they expect and what they want the program to do. So you can walk towards that and it gives you really good experience, especially when you enter into the working world about, okay, this is what I need to do and here's how I can address it. So I think a key networking and collaboration opportunity I really got was kind of just interacting with my fellow classmates, sharing knowledge and sharing ideas and talking about things. So there was a kind of forum post board where students would regularly interact and help each other in terms of the course content. My advice is do it. You can't put a price on investing in yourself, you know? The knowledge you learn, the skills you get, and even the people you meet and just the contacts really set you up and they really give you a foundation into the industry you're trying to get in, you know? Without my software engineering bootcamp, I wouldn't even know where to begin in starting my journey. I would 100% recommend doing a HyperionDev bootcamp. It helped me in numerous ways. Just even the fact that I can approach a kind of problem now in Python and not be like, what is going on? I just really want to say thank you to HyperionDev and the Department for Education for giving me the opportunity to enroll in my bootcamp. It's giving me the confidence to know that, yeah, you know, I am actually good at this and I can actually do this if I put my mind to it.